Hello friends, today we are going to learn exercise of lesson number 13, sound from 6th science. Let's start today's session guys. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the proper words. रिकाम्या जागी योग्य शब्द भरा. Question A, the propagation of sound does not occur through a dash. Answer, the propagation of sound does not occur through a vacuum. Question B, noise pollution is a dash issue. Answer, noise pollution is a social issue. Question C, the sound which is disagreeable to the ears is called a dash. Answer, the sound which is disagreeable to ears is called a noise. Question D, noise has adverse effects on our dash. Answer, noise has adverse effects on our health, mind and concentration. Next question. Question number 2, what should we do? आपण काय करावे ते सांगा. Question A, silencer of a motorcycle is broken. मोटरसायकलचा सायलेन्सर बिघडला असेल तर. Answer, to reduce noise pollution, the silencer should be repaired immediately. Driving such a motorcycle should not be attempted till the silencer is fixed. Next question. Question B, a factory in your surroundings is producing continuous loud noise. जर तुमच्या परिसरातील कारखान्यांचा मोठ्याने आवाज येत असेल तर. Answer, we should inform about the loud noise to the authorities of the factories. If they are not paying any heed, then we can complain to the nearby police station. If there is any problem with machinery in the factories, it should be repaired by the owners of the factory. Next question. Question number 3, write the answers in your words. खालील प्रश्नांची तुमच्या शब्दात उत्तरे लिहा. Question A, what is meant by vibration? Answer, the rapid oscillations or to and fro movements of an object is called vibration. Next question. Question B, explain with the help of practical examples how sound is propagated through solids. म्हणजे ध्वनीचे प्रसारण स्थायूतून कसे होते हे व्यवहारातील उदाहरणे देऊन स्पष्ट करा. Answer, sound propagates with a maximum speed through the solid medium. We can hear the sound of a train which is far off by placing our ear to the railway track. If we knock at the door, the person inside the room can hear it clearly. Next question. Question C, what is meant by noise pollution? ध्वनी प्रदूषण म्हणजे काय? Answer, a condition in which there is a continuous, unwanted and unpleasant sound is called noise pollution. Next question. Question D, what measures will you take to control noise pollution? ध्वनी प्रदूषण रोखण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय उपाययोजना कराल? Answer, 1. Unnecessarily blowing of horns of the vehicles should be completely prevented. 2. The volume of TV, home theater or radio should be kept at minimum. It should be restricted only to those who are watching or listening to the programs. 3. Engines of unmaintained vehicles produce lot of unwanted and harsh sound. Therefore, maintenance of vehicles should be done. 4. Factories, airports, railway stations and bus stands can create lot of noise. Therefore, they should be located away from localities where people stay. Next question. Question number 4. कंप्लीट द टेबल. तक्ता पूर्ण करा. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्याला हा तक्ता दिलेला आहे. याच्यामध्ये नेचर ऑफ साऊंड म्हणजे आवाजाचा प्रकार आणि तो आवाज अनप्लीजंट म्हणजे कटू किंवा प्लीजंट म्हणजे आनंददायी आहे हे सांगायचं आहे. आन्सर स्पीकिंग harsh tone unpleasant and soft speech pleasant, whispering pleasant, aeroplane sounds unpleasant, horns of vehicles unpleasant, railway engine unpleasant, rustling of leaves pleasant, neighing of a horse pleasant, and ticking of a clock pleasant. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 6वी विज्ञान विषयातील पाठ क्रमांक 13 साऊंड या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.